The end person those are getting penalized is the end customer, which are the residents of the Goa, the people those are operating in Goa. We have been talking about investing in Goa, we are talking about amazing Goa so that people can come down in Goa. But when the people like us, those are providing the infrastructure in this particular manner without having an amicable solution, going ahead and penalizing the ISP is actually penalizing the end customer. What happens tomorrow? Somebody is having a crucial meeting with the offshore client. What happens to the residents? Those are having their elderly parents staying here, right? Tomorrow, we know the situation in Goa that mobile network is not working. Everybody is depending upon the Wi-Fi network. Students, they are studying here, their studies are getting impacted. Where is the solution? When this particular matter is already there in the court, don't you think that is a contempt of court going ahead and taking a unilateral decision in terms of cutting the cables? Our objective is that we are ready for a solution. We have gone ahead with 2 patches, one in Panjim, one in Mapusa, wherein we have gone ahead and done a tidy work with a collaborative effort of all the ISPs together. We have showcased that. We have gone ahead and shown to authorities as well. We are also looking for some beautification of Goa should not get hampered because of the cable. But we are looking forward for solution coming in from the government side. There is 3 parties, which is Department, Government of Goa and ISPs together working to make sure that we are giving the right opportunity for the residents, people coming down from outside location and getting the best kind of an infrastructure here. Is this decision of going ahead and cutting the cables is serving the purpose? It is not. Hence, we just thought to pass on the right message